Here. So today I'm going to show you what I have made for my college project. So since I was in the final year and I have to make something, this is what I've made, right? So this video is not going to be about how I've made it and what kind of code I've written and all, but this is just about what I've made. So basically, let me give you a context of how this project was built and what was its main motive. So first, it was made in a very short period of time, because of which I had to use the AI, right? It was a group project, but boys being boys, how they work together actually. So it was made in a very short period of time. Later, this project was built just in order to make sure that we do not get left behind into those college project things and all. So we actually made it. Now the main motive of this project was to digitalize each and everything which is going into the college. So suppose if a college is hosting an event, they will simply host it on this website, and any of the students who want to take part in simply can register through the websites and all, and basically all of the things. So the site has basically three entities. First one is a student, second one is a faculty, and third one is a alumni, right? And everyone have their own roles. Like the faculty will be able to control each and everything. The alumni should be able to post the job, and other students should be able to register it. So let me just show you. So if I'll go on to this localhost, right, it will simply open my browser. Great. So let's say if I am registering into this website, so let's give it any random name. I'll give it Rajan, right? And a random email for that, which is going to be RAJAN, right? And password, let's say any random password, right? And let's log in as a student first, right? Or register as a student first. So great, we are now registered as a student. Now we'll do this for 3 or other 2 entities also. So I'll simply open it into another tab. Since this is running on the local host and it's not hosted out there yet, we are not able to log into multi-core device and test it there, but it will work the same. So now currently it's logged in as the same name which we have logged in into like previous tab. So we'll simply log out from there. We'll go on to register. Now we'll log in as a faculty. So let's say I'm going to give it let's say Yuvraj, right? So I'm giving it a name Yuvraj, and same, a dummy email. And now I'll select here faculty, right? And when I'm registering as a faculty, boom, it's now registered as a faculty. And we'll do the same for one more tab. So I'll simply go into this another tab. I'll do the same, log out. And let's say here I am logging as, let's say, Hardik. That's the Indian cricket team. Okay, no issues. Right, and now I'm logging in as an alumni. So if I click on alumni and just register, boom. So now we have all 3 entities logged in, and let's test some of its functions. So let's first test messages, right? So if I'll go into the messages, and the first tab, if you can see, we logged in as a Rajan, right? So I'll simply select Rajan, type a message here, any random message, click on send button. Now it will go into the Rajan tab, into messages, and we'll open the Hardik because that was the one who sent the message. So you can see that this is the message visible here, right? Now since alumni should be able to post jobs and all, so I'll simply go into jobs. Let's say I click on post a job, any random thing, along with any random company name, along with any random location, with any random job location description, sorry. And let's say I'm giving it 5+ year of experience needed, right? Then I click on post job, boom. Now it should be visible into all of other tabs and all, be it student or faculty. So if I'll go into that student tab, the first one, come into the job section, right? Here you can see that the job is posted, and it was posted less than a minute ago. So this is working absolutely fine, just how we wanted it to work. Now if we'll go into the faculty tab, right? So we'll go into the faculty tab, since faculty is able to post notices and all. So let's say if we create a notice here, let's say notice title is anything random along with anything random description. Great. And if we click create notice, now let's come into student section, click in this. The top one is posted less than a minute ago by Yuvraj. Here you can see posted by Yuvraj. You can see that designation is faculty here, and this was posted just less than a minute ago, right? Now if we'll go into the alumni tab, and if we'll go into the notices, boom, that notice is visible here. So this was it. This was made using AI, and this was like the whole thing was made using AI. Since we had really less time, it was made just in a 3 days time, and earlier we just prepared enough so that we could answer questions based on this, and like we had a very good understanding of how it's made and what it's working on. So I guess in a very short period of time, this is what AI enables you to do. It opens a lot of gates for you, but you need to be like good enough in understanding all of the concept, what are the concepts which has been used, and how the functionality are actually of your website or whatever tool you're making. So it's very important to leverage AI. That's what I'm saying. So this was just another video of showing YouTube made. If you want, I could actually make a proper video on what kind of prompt I gave to the AI and how this was actually made. So yep, that's